Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram doesn't give access to your photos. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to upload a photo or video to your Instagram reel or your Instagram story, but it keeps saying Instagram doesn't have access to your photos. Here, for example, I'm just going to tap on the plus icon at the very bottom. And if you tap on turn on, this will pop up. So it says open settings, then tap permissions and turn on storage. Now tap on open settings. And then I'm just going to tap on app permission. Scroll all the way down. After that, tap on photos and videos. And as you see here, it is set to don't allow, and that's the reason why Instagram keeps saying Instagram doesn't have access to your photos. So make sure to set it to allow. Now go back. And as you see here, again, Instagram have access to your photos and videos. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.